Hey, welcome to Road to Forever. It's Terry, and I am in the kitchen to make another delicious Daniel fast recipe. And for this recipe, this is quick, easy. There's also many alternatives that you can substitute in this particular recipe. And so this is one of those delicious Daniel fast smoothie recipes that you definitely want to add if you're going to be doing the 21-day Daniel fast. And so I have here 1 cup of water. You could always substitute any type of nut milk, whether it's rice milk, oat milk, coconut milk, almond milk. The list goes on and on. It's really up to you. But since I always use nut milk in my other smoothie recipes, I figured I'd show you one that tastes delicious where I'm using water as my liquid. I have also an avocado here. I have some walnuts. I have my flaxseed. I have strawberries. I have almond butter, and I have some ground cinnamon. And the reason why I'm using all of these ingredients, as you guys know, with the Daniel fast, I'm all about making sure that whatever recipe I make is one that is going to be satisfying. So that way you're not, focusing so much on the food, but you can eat something and you can focus on spending time in God's presence, really drawing closer to Him during this time, because that is really the purpose of the Daniel fast. So I want to show you food items that I make that I think taste amazing, that's going to keep you feeling full throughout the day. And so with things like the walnuts and the flax seeds and the almonds, you have this, and the avocado, these are all healthy fats. And so the thing about fat is that it stays in your stomach longer, so it will keep you feeling full for a longer time. And also you have your ground cinnamon, which helps your blood sugar to stay stable. So again, this is one of those smoothies that will help you stay full for quite a bit of time. So I'm excited for you to try this Daniel fast recipe. Let me know by hitting that like button if you're also excited to try this Daniel fast recipe as well. And then if are there any other Daniel fast recipes that you're interested in, let me know in the comments down below, and I'll definitely show you how I make them at home. And get excited. My Daniel fast ebook is coming out soon, so look out for that. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do and hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I release that ebook, because I'll be making a video showing you all of the different things that are available for you, and we'll have a 21-day Daniel fast devotional, all the things that you need for a successful Daniel fast. All right, so how much of these ingredients do we need? Let me tell you, so that way you can be prepared to make this delicious recipe. So what I have, like I said, is 1 cup of water. I have an avocado here. I'm actually just going to cut this maybe in 4s and use a quarter of this avocado. I have a 1/2 cup of strawberries. Like I said, you could always swap out the water for something else. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of my trusty almond butter. If you don't like almond butter, you can swap this out for peanut butter or cashew butter or sunflower butter. It's really up to you. Just make sure that all of your ingredients are Daniel fast friendly. As you see, the only ingredient in this almond butter is roasted almonds, so it's perfect for the Daniel fast. And all of the ingredients that you see in this video are Daniel fast friendly. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of this ground flaxseed meal. If you wanted, you could actually use a regular flaxseed, but I like using the flaxseed meal because it's already ground up and it's great, easy in your smoothies. With your cinnamon, the amount you use is up to you. You could use 1/8 of a teaspoon or 1/4 of a teaspoon or just a dash, depending on whether or not you like cinnamon. Again, I love cinnamon, so I'll be using probably 1/4 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. And then for the walnuts, I'll just be using a couple, so not a whole bunch, so maybe like 5 little walnuts just to add some extra flavor here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add all of these ingredients to my blender, and then I'll show you what happens next. As you guys can see, I've added all of my ingredients to my blender. Now, if you like a more frozen consistency with your smoothie, or you like your smoothie extra cold, I would suggest adding 1 to 2 cubes of ice. Since I already have the frozen strawberry and the water is cold, I'm not going to add the ice cubes, but you can as well. Also, if maybe you're looking for a little bit more sweetness, you could add 1 banana to this, but I'm just keeping it really simple. So all I'm going to do is just blend this on high until it gets smooth. So now that my smoothie is nice and smooth, it's all blended, all I'm going to do is just pour it right into my mason jar. And look at that, guys. This is so delicious. It's packed with flavor, and this is one you will definitely love on your Daniel fast. So there you go. Look at that. And then all you got to do is add a straw, and you got to enjoy this delicious Daniel fast smoothie. I'm sure this will definitely make your life easier doing your 21-day Daniel fast. If you enjoyed this recipe, let me know in the comments down below. And if you're liking these videos, I ask that you give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more awesome content just like this. I want to thank you so much for watching, but before you leave, I want to remind you, you're only one prayer away. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.